Hello again, traders. This is Jeff. It is Friday, April 28th. It's about 10 minutes to the close, and I'm going to do my weekly recap video. So I'll start out with coin. Last week, I'd sold a cash-secured put-in coin for April 28th expiration. It was a $55 strike. Right now, it's looking like I'm going to get assigned, and that's okay because I do like this area of support around 55, as you can see by my crosshairs here on the chart. Now, the one concern I would have is coin has got earnings next week. Bring this over here. They've got earnings on 5/4, so if I do get assigned, I may try to dump these shares pretty early in the week, but if I hold through earnings, it wouldn't be the worst thing I've ever done. So we'll just kind of play that by ear. Hopefully we could get a pop next week back up into the low 60s. I might just dump those shares. If you enjoy this content, like the video, maybe subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. So next up is our old friend CTRA Energy, which is currently trading 25.65. I want to zoom in on this chart a little bit. Now Monday, I sold a covered call on CTRA. That would have been Monday the 24th, right? Yeah. I sold a 25.50 call, and I did that for 4 reasons. Reason number 1, earnings are May 4th. See here, CTRA's got earnings on May 4th, same day as coin. So this could be an interesting week for me. Reason number 2, I wanted to get good premium for a call option. When I sold this call on Monday, CTRA was trading around 25.65, I believe. We'll look at my spreadsheet here in a minute. So I actually sold an in-the-money call, and I received 40 cents or $40 for that call. I wanted to get good premium, and I was very happy with that premium, and I would be okay getting called away. Now, the 26 calls for Friday were 10 by 15 cents, and I thought I could sit on the offer all day at 15, or I could hit the bid at 10. Now, CTRA round up to about 25.75 on Monday, I believe. Take a look here. Okay, the high was 25.78 on Monday. I don't think that call premium went over 15 cents. I believe it was 10 by 15 all day. Reason number 3, the Fed announcement is May 3rd. And reason number 4, earlier in the week, the spiders and the Qs looked like they wanted to roll over. Now, we've had a really strong day today, but let's take a look at a chart of the spiders and the Qs. So here's the spiders, and this would have been Monday. Look what we did. I mean, we've rolled over hard, and we've rallied back hard. So my thinking was, if this market could fall, I'd be in a pretty good position with my CTRA covered call, but we really rallied back. Right now, CTRA is trading 25.62 with about 6 minutes in the day, so it's looking like I get called away, but we'll have to wait and see. So this is my spreadsheet on CTRA, and I have taken in just under $343 in options premium and the dividend that I received. Now, I got assigned the shares back on March 10th at $25. So if I get called away today at $25.50, or if I get called away over the weekend, this trade would net out around, let's see, probably just a little bit under $393 in total profit. And that's not bad for a basically, well, about a 7-week trade. So anyway, we'll see if we get called away or not. Okay, next up is the SOXL, and if you've been watching my videos, you know I've been in this one for a while too. Let me move this just a shade here. Okay, there we go. I want to zoom in on the chart. So, on Tuesday the 25th, which would have been this candle here, I believe, yes, the 25th, I actually sold an 11.50 put and a 12.50 put that expire on, well, next Friday, which I believe is May 1st or May 2nd, or maybe it's May 4th. May 5th. But I was still holding the 13.50 puts that I had sold last week. So what I did is I kind of legged into a roll. I sold those 1350 puts for 26 cents last week, and then on Tuesday the 25th I sold the 1250 puts for 52 cents. So I'm thinking I'm gonna sit on these and I'm gonna try to buy these back for 50 cents or less. So Thursday I was very happy with this candle in the SOXL. That's a nice bottoming tail, bottoming sign. We had higher than normal volume. We're at an area of support. We actually broke a little bit below support, and we've had a nice rally today, and we've crossed through the 200 moving average today. So yesterday I actually bought those calls back for 24 cents, so that was basically a scratch. So unfortunately I'm not high enough yet to sell any calls because my cost on this trade is $18.39. But I did position myself a little bit better with put premium. Like I said, I got 52 cents for the 1250 put, and I got 21 cents for the 1150 put. And I believe if we get down there, I'd just let myself get assigned. So this is my SOXL trade, and I've been in this trade for a year. So with my put sales earlier in the week, I brought in about another $71, $72 in premium. By the time I paid commissions, the buyback on this put option was basically a scratch. So I haven't auto summed this for a while. Let's just see if that is right. Yeah. So I've taken in just under $25.45 in premium. And I do have a sizable position in the SOXL. And that's put my net cost down to $14.76. Would love to see this thing get pop back up where I could sell calls again. I've kicked around selling calls, 15 strike or higher, which would be over my net cost, but I really don't want to do that. I've also kicked around going out further in time and trying to get closer to the $18.50 strike price. So we'll just have to wait and see. And a trader never knows. Yesterday, the SOXL, the low of the day was 1252. I was sitting there with 1150, 1250, and 1350 short puts, and I was actually able to buy those puts back yesterday. The way it's looking right now, those puts would have expired worthless, but hey, you live and you learn. I thought I had enough risk on the table with the two puts that I sold for next week. We're going to close down here in about 40 seconds. I'm going to pause this. Okay, the bell just rang. Sorry I missed that. So CTRA is closing up at 25.61. So right now I'm in the money. I don't know that this stock trades a lot of after hours volume. Something tells me it doesn't. So the way we're looking right now, CTRA trade will be in the books and done. And we'll move on to something else next week. Well, that's all I got. I appreciate you watching the video. Check out the videos above and the playlist above. I think you might find them interesting. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Can't wait till Monday.